Good morning. Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out on our porch roof and we're looking at a rotted windowsill. So let's look at it. We'll show you what's wrong and what we're going to do to fix it. So you can see that as we worked on our paint job, this got rotted here. And you can see how bad that is. So one of the things we're going to do here, we're going to have to cut this caulk out of here because we're going to re-caulk it. And we can dig all the caulk out. Now, getting it out of here is easy. Getting it out under here is the other spot. Got to get underneath here and dig this out. We do have some chisels and things we can go in here and pry with. You can see the amount of rot we got in there. Looks like what's behind it's solid. That's good. Have to get a hammer out here. And we're going to have to continue to come in here and see if we can chisel this out. Be careful when you pry not to destroy your existing material on your house. I did bring a pry bar. There's a little bitty pry bar. Maybe I can get this in here and do some of this to pull it away. You can see when you go to pull this away, if you find that it wants to pull all your siding away, that means you probably still have some caulk in here somewhere. Yeah, right in there. Sometimes you can use a real thin cutting knife. So you get some spots where you gotta chisel. Let's see what we got going on here. Key here is, again, be real careful taking this off. This is not the place to hurry, because this is the part where if you damage it, the house, you're going to have problems. There we go. So you can see how rotted that was. We'll send that downstairs. Now, we can clean all this out of here. Looks like we got a little bit of rot over on the side here. That's because water's been getting back there. Got a couple nails got to pull out. Some nails are harder to get out than others. Look, that one come out easy. It went all the way down to the gutter. That one come out pretty easy too. So now what we're going to do is come in here and try to cut away this bad caulk. It looks like it just peels right out of there. So that's good. Okay. This could use another nail. She's a little loose. Now we pre-measured for this project. Let's see how well our board fits in. Looks like our board's going to fit in there nice and tight. You'll make sure you clean this in here best you can. We got some nails. Let's get some nails out. See, we got some nails. So we're saying this is a little loose right here, and this one's a little loose. We put another nail in here to make this tight. Well, there you kind of get the idea there. Got some flashing here that is sticking out a little bit. What you want to do is kind of bend this under. These are good. So our next part is this is pre-painted because it's left over from when the house was built. If we get a little of this off of here. A little bit of wood on here. This piece is a little loose too. We're going to put this to fit in here like this. And you can see we need to it's up there. Right there, we got it all pushed right into place. Now it's a matter of putting some nails in it. Yeah, I'll get one down here on the end. Looks like we could use nail in the siding here. Well, welcome back. You can see we got the wood in. We brought some paper towels. We're going to cut a couple of these off. We don't want this roll to roll down the side, so we're just going to put it up here. Also going to lay our towels here because we don't have a lot of wind right now. We showed you in another video how to cut these open. So we are ready with our caulk. We are going to start by caulking all of this good and underneath good. So up in here. So it's just going to take us a little time. Well, maybe we're going to do this. Here we go. Some of these are going to be hard to do because got to come up instead of down because you can't, the roof's in the way. You can come in here before it's dry and get it with your finger, and that's why we got the towel there. Once we get both sides, and do under the window here, we do under here. If you do have some spots where you got a little crack and you want to put a little in there, go ahead and put a little in there. It won't hurt you any. So we're going to continue on this. We did both edges. We are going to do up in this zone, up the window, both sides. All right. So this kind of got this caulk. Now we're going to go up and do the sides. We'll kind of move this up. Maybe you can see. So there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll get it caulked. We're going to put some caulk under here yet. Basically, we're going to let the caulk dry. And we'll come back out just like you saw in the other video, how to do the staining and the white paint. We're going to come in and do some cleaning on here before we do that. So don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Turn your post notifications on. Use the Amazon links to shop. It helps support the channel. We appreciate all your support. Catch you next video.